The DA can reveal that the ANC is in contempt of court over an order issued by the Supreme Court of Appeal which compelled the ANC to make public its cadre deployment records.
Iqembu le-Democratic Alliance lithi litawufaka isicelo sekuboshwa kwamabhalane jikelele we-ANC fikile mbalula ngobe limsola ngekwenzelela umyalo wenkantolo.
She has been charged with corruption and fraud. However, her co-accused Mr. Matendra stands accused or charged with corruption.
Lolo beka ngusihlalo we-SAA Dudumyeni nemcondzisi wesondolo IT Trevor Matendra bakhululwe ngebheyili ya 10,000 wemarandi ngamunye inkantolo yamanje we-Richards Bay.
King, the one lifted the trophy 12 months ago, and Mamelodi Sundowns could do so now where Peter Solomile manages to squeeze it in. It is unbelievable.
Emathikithi emidlalo weMamelodi Orlando Pirates wenzebe ye-MTN 8 lolinzelwe ngemehlo labovu athengwe onke aphela. Ushonile wena wekunena sikwamukele Tindzaba teSiswati le-State Platform like SABC. Tindzaba ke tiyatholakala ku YouTube, ku X na ku Facebook. Ungatifuna ngekuthi SABC Tindzaba.
Chumana na SABC News. Sishayele ngetindzaba letishisako. Tindzaba nje. Kusiluma indlebe talobanga ngitipi tingekathi nikhungetse ngumphakathi. Sishayele ku 011 714 6133. Noma usithumele email ku news@sabc.co.za. I-SABC News. Live lakho itimele ayithathi hlangothi.
Iqembu le-Democratic Alliance lithi litawufaka isicelo sekuthi aboshelwe kwedzelela umyalo wenkantolo mabhalane jikelele we-ANC fikile mbalula. Lokhu kulandzela ukuthi inkantolo lephakeme yekudlulisela emacala ichithe letindleko sicelo libe sifakwe i-ANC mayelana nesijubo senkantolo lephakeme ye-Gauteng eJozi libe siphocelela liqembu le-ANC ukuthi linikete i-DA imininingwane ekucashwa kube kwemalunga e-ANC etikhundleni tembuso. Kulesijubo ke lesaphuma ngenyanga yenyoni inkantolo yasho ukuthi mancane emathuba ekuphumelela. I-ANC ithi isatawuchubeka iyenkantolo yemthetfosisekelo kweta magucula lesinqumo. Kepha i-DA ithi lelicembu seliphelelwe isikhathi ngekusho kwemiyalo wenkantolo. Kuphinzilitana ke nalesimo i-DA itawuvula licala lekwedzelelwa kwemiyalo wenkantolo lethemba ukuthi itawuholela ekuboshweni kwambalula.
The DA can reveal that the ANC is in contempt of court over an order issued by the Supreme Court of Appeal which compelled the ANC to make public its cadre deployment records. In response to the ANC's defiance of this court ruling, the DA is approaching the courts for an order of contempt and will seek the committal to prison of ANC Secretary General Fikile Mbalula. Since the ANC's doomed appeal at the Supreme Court of Appeal was filed under Mbalula's name, he has made himself guilty of the same contempt of court offence that led to the imprisonment of former President Jacob Zuma. The DA will consequently launch a court application to send Mbalula to prison using the very precedent established in the Zuma case. This is because the ANC is in contempt of the order issued by the Supreme Court of Appeal on the 4th of September. The court ordered that the ANC must hand over complete records of its cadre deployment committee during the period when President Cyril Ramaphosa was its chairman to the DA within 5 days. The ANC initially indicated that it would appeal this ruling to the Constitutional Court. However, the ANC has missed the 15-day deadline imposed by the court, which means the ANC is now in contempt of court in the absence of any appeal to the Constitutional Court.
Bomasipala tingalotonge talelive kufute bathathe tinyathelo leticatha ngekuphuthuma batewuvikela lahlekelwa timali. Lolibito ke luta ngemva kwengcungcuthela lebeyibanje eThekwini lamuhla lehlose kutfola tisombululo kuletinkinga letibukene nabo masipala. Lengcungcuthela ke beyihlelwe i-DA.
Dinginga tekuthola kwetidzingo tetakhamuti inkohlakalo nesimo lesibi setimali sabomasipala kube ngilonye lokudzingidwa kule ngcungcuthela. Baholi be-DA nemakhansela AFP bahlangene ngenhloso ekutfola sisombululo lesitawuqinisekisa ukuthi bomasipala basebenzele ekuthuthukiseni isimo dlalo setakhamuti.
Government debts owed to municipalities in the province of KwaZulu-Natal alone increased from 800 million to 3 billion in the 12 months from July 2022 to 2023. The system is self-preserving at all costs.
So delopa masipala we umngeni Chris Papaso uthi uhulumende wavelonke nawetifundza kufuthi banikete bomasipala imandla kwenda umsebenzi ngaphandle kwengenelela.
The ultimate goal that we have to achieve in local government is captured in the Constitution. And that speaks to a developmental local government that is participatory and that tries to achieve social and economic development. And in that broad statement, you have incredible power in local government, not to be dictated to by a national or provincial government and not to deliberately break the law. Please don't do that.
You look at Umgeni, you look at Umhlatuzi. These are municipalities that are functioning and people are sitting up, taking note and investing. They're not leaving those areas, they're moving into those areas. So to sum it up, it's the ballot box.
Lolo beka ngosihlalo we-SAA Dudumiyeni nemcondzisi wesondolo IT Trevor Matenjwa bakhululwe ngebheyili ya 10,000 wemarandi ngamunye inkantolo lelikanekise enyakatho yaseThekwini. Laba lababili basolwa ngemacala ekhwabanisa nengohlakalo liyamene nemali lebalelwa ku 300,000 wemarandi lebuye enkampanini yebusasa nesondolo IT.
Miyenbeka ngisihlalo we-SAA emkhathini weminyaka wa-2012 kuya ku-2017 ongela macala lasolwa ngawo endeka ngalesikhathi sasengisihlalo wale nkampani. Umbuso uthi ngaphandle kwale mali lowakhokhelwa yona waphindze waqiniselwa tekuphepha ekhaya lakhe elise-Richards Bay lokwabita imali lengu-200,000 wemarandi. Kuthiwa myeni waphindze wahlomula imali yakhokhela kuhlala kwakhe ehhotela nebantfu lasonzelene nabo lebe basebentela ibusasa lebalela ku-107,000 wemarandi emkhathini weminyaka wa-2014 na-2015.
She has been charged with corruption and fraud. However, her co-accused Mr. Matendra stands accused or charged with corruption, and this pertains to gratifications which we're alleging is the investigating directorate that Ms. Dudumiyeni received when she was the chairperson of Busasa, the chairperson of South African Airways rather. Gratifications to the tune of about 300,000 odd. 200,000 pertains to the security upgrades of her premises situated here in Richards Bay.
Labasola batshela inkantolo ukuthi bahlose kuwaphika onke lamacala lababukene nawo. Leli cala hlehliselwe mhla ti-17 ngenyanga yeLweti.
Inhlangano lesakata ngemoya i-SABC setaba ne-news website lensha letawuphakela sive Tindzaba ngekwehlukahlukana kwetilimi netinhlobo temikhakha yetindzaba. Kanzi-ke umphathi welihlangothi lolonda lomsebenzi lwe-SABC etindzabeni Angie Kapelianis uchaze kabanti kutsi itawusebenta njani.
We have this existing website, we've had it for a long time, but with technology just expanding and moving and changing every single day, the website, and I don't want to give too much away, the website is cleaner, it's fresh, there's less text, a lot more audio-visual elements. So we've already got, our hugely popular live streams, videos. The new element, and it's not that we've not been doing podcasts, but the new element is podcasting. So we're kind of spearheading, pioneering with 4 of our radio current affairs teams across the country. English, that's on SAFM Current Affairs, Lotus Current Affairs, Afrikaans RSG Current Affairs, and then also Motsweding in Tswana. And the reason we're pioneering those is because they've already been doing a lot of podcasting work. So a lot more, the site's a lot cleaner, it's more easily navigable, and let's see what happens on Sunday. So I don't want to give too much away, but it was really nice to see the site. Obviously there's always room for improvement, and we will do that gradually.
Mpumalanga atfungatsa umsolo lokusolelwa ukuthi udubule somabhizinisi lebekavakashe kulesifunza sube Limpopo. Asikwamukele mbuyele esigabeni sesibili seTindzaba teSiswati la SABC. Emaphoyisa aseMpumalanga athungatha umsolo lekusolwa ukuthi udubule somabhizinisi lobekavakashe kulesifunza asuka eLimpopo. Lo somabhizinisi ke wase Hoedspruit udutshulwe wabulawa eHazyview. Lo mufi nemndeni wakhe bebasendleleni leya eHolton labo nakwendeka lesehlakalo. Ngana nalasebenza naye nakadutshulwa.
Luphethe kabuhlungu lohambo lwasomabhizinisi kulandzelwa kudutshulwa kwakhe embekwemlingani wakhe nebantwana. Kusolakala ukuthi bekavakashele eHazyview kuyawuhlangana nalasebenza naye. Bebahlele kuhlangana egaraji kepha kumange kwabanjalo ubese utfola lucingo lumatisa ngekushintsha kwendzawo ngulapho abese uyadutshulwa wabulawa.
Upon our investigation told that there was a white Nissan buggy that came in. And then the suspect, they just got out of the vehicle and shot the driver who was there with her girlfriend. And it seems like nothing was taken up so far. But we are continuing with our investigation in terms of determining what really might have been the cause of that particular shooting.
Umndeni wemufi usashaqekile kanti ucele kubukana nalesimo ngasese. Emaphoyisa asaphenya.
Sikubutile ke mbukeli ukuthi njengoba kubonakala kwanza kubulawa kwetivakashi kuleli ingabe kubathikameta kangakanani laba labaphilisa ngekuthengisela tivakashi uphendule ngalendlela.
Kuyosiza ukuthi abaphathi beziqeqe baqinisekise ukuthi ke izivakashi zabo ziphephile nanokuthi abaphethe tourism eSouth Africa nabo baqinisekise ukuthi ke bafakela ingcindezi abaphethe iziqeqe mayelana nokuphepha kwabavakashi.
Ibuhlungu into obulawa kwezivakashi kweli ngoba lokho abantu bathengisa kwaba bandla abantwana babo bakwazi ukuthenga ukutya bahoya abantwana babo ngoxa ngabe izivakashi zibulawa azizukwazi ukuza kweli.
Lonto izachaphazela kakhulu i-economy nabantu abathengisayo.
Banciphisela umsebenzi labantu abasebenza khona esiqiweni engazathi le nto leyo nje ingakhuzeka beboshwe.
Umnyango wezokuvakasha tourism ayithathe le mali ayizoxhasa ngayo iTotal Mallspace iqembu laseNgilandi ithathe leyo mali eningangaka ifake izinsiza ekutheni kuvikelwe abantu abasebezovakasha kulelizwe.
Abantu abaziphilisa ngokuthola imali ngenxa yevakashi bazoshayeka kakhulu. Akekho umuntu ongafisa ukuya endaweni la khona akangalahlekelwa umphefumulo wakhe athunjwe noma agetshengwe. So nje indaba ezimbi kakhulu lezi.
Bulawa kwezivakashi kuchaphazela kakhulu thina bakwezokhenketho. I-tourist kazingazi eMzantsi Afrika ngoba zidlala indima enkulu ekutyalweni kwemali yaseMzantsi Afrika.
Ubugebengu buhlukumeza abantu abaningi khulu laba abathengisako entradeni bathengisela imvakashi bayahlukumezeka ngoba manje sizoba sincane isibalo sabantu abavakashela eSouth Africa.
Lona ke ngumbono wembukeli SABC ngeke yethweswe ukuphendula ngawo. Umbhali aphinze abesishoshovu lebesilwisana siphinze seluleke bantu ngesifo semdlavuza ufihliwe lamuhla emalibeni ase4ways eJozi. Umndeni nebangani bebamonyo ngesikhathi bayemvalelisa kulandzela ukuthi abulawe ngumdlavuza ngemsombuluko ushona eneminyaka lengama-43.
Bebamvalelisa kwekugcina kulandzela ukuthi aphumule ekhaya kusa kwanamuhla.
Remember the trauma that Zoleka grew up under. So it was really a very bad period. But one thing I like about her, she was a very disciplined child.
Luqalile ke lohambo ngesikhathi ayobekwa endlini yakhe yekugcina. Kepha ngaphambi kwekuthi aphume kube nemkhuleko lomncane ekhaya lapho bekahlala khona. Ubese uya esonfeni lapho kuchubeke khona konke lokho bekulinzelekile. Kanzi uchazwe njengaloyo bekanelugcozi bekulwela kuphila ubuye ecudutele nalabanye.
A woman full of endurance, a resemblance of her own family. She's a descendant of warriors. Her grandmother, her mother herself, and she then became more than them. I think Zoleka took everything that is called strength and courage from those two women, Comrade Winnie and our dear friend Comrade Zinzi.
Bekakhona ke nandvunankulu waseGauteng Bhanyazali Sufi
nemholo we-EFF Julius Malema ukuthi umphekeletela endlini yakhe yokugcina. Kepha ngaphambi kwekuthi ucale umsimeto kubonakalela amanye emalunga emndeni ahamba shiya inkonzo kanzi amange aye emathune naseFoy's Memorial Parking. Bekungakavumeleki ukuthi kubone nobe ngabe ngubani kufihlwa kwakhe kepha bekuvumeleke umndeni kanye nebangani.
Kanzi imakethe yetimali sithola ukuthi irandi lenyukile nalicathaniswa netimali takulamanye amave.
The DA can reveal that the ANC is in contempt of court over an order issued by the Supreme Court of Appeal which compelled the ANC to make public its cadre deployment records.
Iqembu le-Democratic Alliance lithi litawufaka sicelo sekuboshwa kwamabhalane jikelele we-ANC fikile mbalula ngobe limsola ngokwenzelela umyalo wenkantolo.
She has been charged with corruption and fraud. However, her co-accused, Mr. Matendra, stands accused or charged with corruption.
Lolebeka ngusihlalo we-SAA Dudumiyeni nemcondzisi wesondolo IT Trevor Matendra bakhululwe ngebheyili ya 10,000 wemarandi ngamunye yinkantolo yamantshi we-Richards Bay. Sithathe Tindzaba kwesitiphose embombela motha kafishane nje ingabe yini lesingayilinzela lamuhla kuleti phuma embiteni. Sicolise mbukeli ngalomsindvo longasimuhle lochamuka khona embombela kanzi ke tiyagucula phatha lamuhla lenhle nalephephile.